In every nation, every tribe, and every community, culture is not just a way of life. It is the soul of the people. Among the Nuer, our culture has always been our pride. It shaped our identity and guided our moral and held our people together even in time of war and displacement. But today, we are witnessing something tragic, the slow disappearance of the Nuer culture. And, it is not caused by outsider, but by our own silent and shameful behavior. The truth is hard to hear, but it must be said. The Nuer culture can be changed and destroyed by those among us who no longer feel humiliation or shame. Those who have lost their connection to our values, those who do not care whether they bring honor or disgrace to their people, are allowing madness to take over. They live as if anything is acceptable. They say we can do whatever we want, and no one will stop them. And why? Because our elders have chosen silence. Where are the voices of our elders, the traditional leaders, the respected men and women, the voices of wisdom and correction? Why are they not speaking? Why are they not standing up against the disrespect, the disobedient, and the dishonor? Silence in the face of destruction is agreement. And sadly, that is what we are seeing today. Our culture is not being taken from us. It is being thrown away. It is fading slowly, day by day, because we have allowed pride, ignorance, and self-interest to rise above unity, tradition, and discipline. When a people no longer feel shame for what they do, no matter how shameful it is, then there's no limit to how far they can fall. What used to be sacred is now mocked, and what used to bring honor now bring laughter and insult. And those who still love the culture are too few or too afraid to speak out. The Nuer people must wake up. We must return to our root, to the discipline and dignity that once defined us. We must teach our children, not just how to speak Tognath or Nuer language, but how to live with Nuer values. And above all, we must remind each other that honor matters, that shame is not weakness, but a sign of conscience. If we continue on this path, there will come a time when we will search for a culture and find nothing but memories and regret. Please share this message to anyone. Thank you. Bye-bye.